Hello and welcome to Garage Avenger. I'm Justin. In this episode, things get a little dirty.
Ah, yeah.
And I make a mashing paddle / spanking paddle for my brother Kieran for Christmas.
Wow.
Well,
So let's go do this. Let's go make some shit. Right, 5 days to Christmas, and I decided that I'm gonna make my brother a mashing stick because he's really into brewing beer. I don't know even if you use a mashing stick in the beer he brews, but I don't care because it looks cool. Pretty sure they actually use it for some sort of kinky sex after they've brewed beer, I imagine, with those people that brew beer. Sorry guys who brew beer. Let's see how this goes from this crude drawing to hopefully something mad. Let's get our kink on. Right, this board had to be thin enough that it was usable, but thick enough that it was strong enough when you smack someone on the ass, it wasn't gonna snap right in half. So 26 millimeters it was then. I then marked out the shape and details. Now for my brother's logo, this is a pretty dumb way to do it. Oh, for fuck's sake. Really should have printed it out, or better yet, had a CNC and actually just cut the motherfucker out, because this was really a pain in the ass. Come on, get in there, get in. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah, that's it, nice and tight. Fuck, this is gonna take forever. Guys, this was a bad idea. So here I was scared the jigsaw was gonna break the wood apart and my whole mashing paddle would be ruined. So it's taking it super carefully. After one successful cut, I decided to drill them all and do them all the same. Super satisfied I didn't break the shit. I danced to celebrate. Maybe prematurely though. Story of my life. Frustrated I couldn't clean up the main body of the logo, I decided to drill out all these spiky little things on my brother's logo and then get on with shaping the paddle itself. Although I made this jig for this cut, this is f***ing dangerous. I'm not sure why I do this stuff really, because I love it apparently. I love the pain. Oh, and it was pain. I mean, seriously, this took hours and hours. But there was some pleasure.
ah, yeah.
But how mad does it look? Here I marked out the lettering for my brother's brand. Now for the carving of these letters. Now this would have been a load easier with the CNC, but you know, I don't have one, so I did it by hand. Now it was finally time to cut this thing out. I sanded the sides smooth, then used the router to break the edges. After all, I thought you probably don't want to break skin if you're being spanked by this thing. Now it's time for oiling. What the f***? Oh, Jesus Christ. After cleaning off that mess, I got on with oiling. It's finished, guys. This looks like a canoe paddle with some holes in it. I guess that's what a mashing paddle is, but this just turned out to be more of a canoe paddle. Now I'm gonna wrap this thing, and hopefully he doesn't follow Instagram stories because I may have leaked that I've built this for him. So, without further ado, let's wrap this bitch! Right, she's all wrapped up. Let's go put it under the tree. There you go, jerk face.
Thanks, your bro.
No, bro.
I wonder what this is. I haven't seen anything on Instagram about this at all.
God damn it.
Wow.
Wow. That's your good.
Amazing.
That is so cool.
That's awesome, bro.
Wow.
What do
Look away.
you use it
That's
for?
It's a
beautiful.
mashing paddle.
It's a canoe. I gotta build him a canoe.
With holes
Like,
in it.
He doesn't want you to go very far.
You can put that in your pool room, bro.
It's going straight to the pool room, this one. Not even good enough to brew beer with. I mean, too good to brew beer with.
Jerk face.
Let's